spring trap. And Chica. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Five Nights at Freddy's in the Pit. Last time we found Bonnie, and we have to find a way to lure the rabbit out. So what I'm thinking is that we need to go get Bonnie's guitar. That's just my thought. I could be wrong. What is that sound? I hear people screaming, people crying. This is the Blue Rabbit's guitar, but the strings are broken. I bet I can find some old ones in the garbage. No. Find a way to fix the guitar. The garbage. I'm gonna take a Funkalicious feeling here and say it's probably at the mill. So let's go. I did, however, hold on. Because I did, however, pick up a new gizmo. I vaguely remember. Yeah. Was it, no. Token slot? Yeah. What do we got? Rescue the children. Again, we are a balloon boy. And then there's spring trap. Complete all arcade games. Not a gamer. Save them. Alternative music. Huh. So we played all the ones that we could. I don't think we got prizes for all of them, though. I wish it would tell us. Because I forget what all... I'd have to go back and look at the footage to see. Because like I said, I forgot which one... what all ones we got. Prizes wise. So yeah, sorry we skipped a day. Yesterday was a little bit of a break. Played through Resi 7 though, that was pretty fun. If you want to check that out, it's up on Twitch right now. I'll provide the link in the description. Alright, let's go to the mill. Just stabs in the dark. Fix the guitar. Guitar string. Who knew Oswald the Ocelot was also Oswald the Raccoon? This will definitely make headlines in school. What's he doing here? Whatever. I don't worry about him right now. I need to get back. I can't worry about him right now. Son of a bitch. He took my picture without my consent, that asshole. But, just as I have thought, we found the guitar strings. So let's hit our way. Head. Hey, buddy. I went by frame. Oh, shitty. Mechanical. Get in there. Oh, shit. It probably won't sound good, but at least it works. Picked up the guitar. Just listening for a Springtrap to go in a room. There we go. Springtrap, Afton, whatever. Oh! Yes. Oh, freaks. Let's jam. Hell yeah. Rock that shit. I need to get better at my buttons. Need to get better at the... Oh, Bonnie! Bonnie has our ticket. He's fucking done with us, bro. Space! I didn't space hard enough. I need to get better with these buttons, though. Fuck. I'll have to follow the vents. Rescued ship. Yikes, that was close. Gotta get back to the arcade. It just takes me back here. I knew that. Oh, what the? That was messed up. Thanks. I don't know what that... Thank me later. Was there a grown-up with you? No. Have you seen Mike? I found him. He's safe now. Come on, man. We gotta split. No, Freddy. It's Freddy. It's Freddy. Why? Why would you do such things? I know I heard his voice. Hang in there, Dad. Day 4? Freddy showed his face, though. Say, off to school. Off to school. No idea how I'll make it through the day. Barely slept. Hey, kitty. Pet the kitty. Kitties always give good luck. Look at this room. It's disgusting. I know. Let's do us some looky-loos. Freddy mask. Found us a Freddy mask. What the hell is that fucking sound? Edit that out. No. Oh, things I haven't been doing either is actually looking at the description of things. Why would anyone want to look like this thing? Tradable item. A golden token that can only be used in arcade machines. There's no better sign of a true gamer than a pile of tickets. A photo of when we went to the beach. I almost drowned when a big wave knocked me over, but Dad was there to pull me to the surface. Object 3 of 5? Dad took this picture of me and Mom on our last beach trip. Dad and I got so sunburnt that Mom kept calling us a pair of lobsters. We should have reapplied sunscreen like she said, but Dad and I were too busy swimming to remember. Not sure how Mom puts up with us sometimes. That's so cute. A photo Dad always keeps with him. I have his eyes and his humor. Dad always takes a photo of me on the first day of school. It's kind of embarrassing, but I think it makes him happy. We weren't able to take a photo of my first day this year. This game is going to make me do a complete replay of the game, isn't it? Keep hearing all these sounds. Morning Oz, double shift today and tomorrow. Boo. Be safe. Be safe getting to school. Oh, Mom. Hey, look, it's Oswald the raccoon. I'm surprised he's still not out digging in the dump. Yeah, he probably smells right at home there. Not the undulating Bonnie. The thrust. What's the matter, Snozwald? You look like you're ready to puke. Maybe all that trash has made him sick. Maybe he's finally losing it. Oh no. I gotta get out of here. Damn it, Oswald. Library? Poor Oswald had his limit, man. Hey, Firecracker Kid. Ah, still dig that name. You still want to trade for one? Yeah, I have this. Oh, nice. You got yourself a trade. Awesome, thanks. Please, a pleasure doing business with you. Got a firecracker. School, alternative music. Day 4. But it's looking like this is, tomorrow's the last day. Maybe, if that's how it's gonna work. Jeff? Exotic butters. But I have stuff, man. I have lots of stuff. Jeff? Oh, Jeffrey. Hey, kid, shouldn't you be in school? Not today. Okay. You know where to find me. You, really worked hard to be a good influence, didn't you, Jeff? Now's my chance to get a head start. Yeah? Let me make sure we're not forgetting anything. Not missing anything. I think what it is Jeff's dad's in that room we can't get into. Either dead or tied up. And we need to find the key card to get in there. Because we can't get in there from here. But on the other side, of course, because he's in the ball pit. So, and there might be alternative endings to where he wakes up and it looks like it was all a dream. Of course, that's a cliche one. Scott doesn't seem like the one for cliches, so I call him Scott by his first name as if we're best friends. But, it could be, you know, they think it's a dream sequence, one of the endings. But another could be that Jeff's dad's dead, which is a possibility. But I think it's all coming down to finding the key card to get into that back room where all the terrible happened. That's my guess. You gotta be kidding me. How many kids are trapped in here? Investigate the screaming. I will say I'm a little worried now, though, because... Shit! No, what? Stop. What are you doing? It seems like the whole gang's out because last night Freddy came out and we seen him. We gotta check behind the curtain just to see. I don't want to miss anything. Be as me and my collectibles. So the more you run, the more likely of a chance, as we kept reading, that you'll trip. So that could be in bad. Bonnie! Fuck! Get grabbed by Bonnie. I didn't even see. I saw something, but I was like, what? We haven't seen Foxy either. Foxy hasn't made an appearance at all. Did I 20 tickets for a prize voucher? So did I pick up handheld gaming device boosts a 30-minute battery life on 6 batteries. Tradable item. Is that what I picked up? I got some kind of sticker. Guess the sketchbook is good at a place for it. Oh yeah, that's right. Another sticker? How many stickers is this thing? This thing is gonna make me do it all, isn't it? Oh shit. The third sticker. I guess that makes my collection now. Collector now. Oh. It was an arcade game. Oh, yeah, that's open. What? What? My last ticket. Okay, we're gonna try this again, but instead I'm gonna go back up to Freddy after I collect all the balloons. Why would Golden Freddy be sitting there? Well, if there's something there, I don't know. I don't know. Did I do this one? Oh, that's just, leave that for the lore masters. Or I might look it up and then show you guys, I don't know. Freddy.
Now, I can't imagine that you'd stay there very late at night, so I guess you don't need to worry about the whole animatronic situation, blah, blah, blah. If you really have nothing to do after work and want to stay a little bit longer, play some games in the arcade. Not every machine works, though.
Here, they're close. What? Who? The cameras. My dad's wedding ring is here. I need to get him back to Mom. Oh, Jesus, here we go. That's the room we need to get into. Follow me. We have to get out of here. No, I can't. They're all out there. I need to get them away from here. Hey, some batteries in the locker. That's fucking great. Cool. It's too close. I need to lure them farther away. Now where'd you go? Cam 1280? Where'd she go? Oh no 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 no. Where's he taking her? Somebody was watching me. Oh shit. Oh no 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 no. Fuck off, Chica. I know she's in here. I feel like it gets... Oh. It won't budge. I need to get that girl out of... before she freezes. Find a way to open the freezer. Fuck you, fuck you, fuck you. So, should I turn the power off? Would turning the power off open the freezer? Or do you think it's chained shut? I don't know. Asking the void. Well, the power didn't. What am I gonna use? What the? Why do you do these things? Let's go ask Jeff. Maybe he knows. Try not to run too much. Jeff! You here to pick up a pizza? No, just hanging out. Fuck! Jeff! Asshole. Is that what I needed to do? Pull that lever? Is that all I needed to do? Was pull that lever? Damn it. Might be. Nope. Well, there's no lever there. And now the power's out. Now the power's back on. What in God's name am I gonna use? I'm gonna look in the back room on the backstage real quick, and if that's not it, I'm gonna try to go back to Oswald's house and see if we can't find something in the toolbox. Freddy. Really? Fuck. Alright. Get it. You saved me. Run for the exit before. Ah. Ah. This just keeps getting worse and worse. This ends tomorrow. Night 5. Oh my goodness. Oh, this one. No. Did I sleep all day? I'm running out of time. No more school, no more distractions. I'm bringing Dad home. Night 5. Tomorrow. This is getting crazy and crazy. A little bit more difficult this time. It took me a little bit to beat the night, but it seemed like it went by pretty fast. But I'm going to chop this down and make it a little bit more easier to watch. And I'll have the last episode of what I think is going to be the last episode. Probably going to have a lot more to it. But yeah, we'll be back tomorrow. It's going to be so much fun. I'm really enjoying this. The story is about to wrap up, and I hope you're enjoying it. All right, I love you guys.